and then they'll be confused, and that gives you a second to get away. All right, as we get moving on, our friend's over at My Pillow. My Pillow makes it comfortable, My Pillow. I have My Pillow, and I also have the My Pillow sheets too. Right now,
they have slippers. Winter's here. If you don't have your pair of My Slippers, why do you hate America and love cold feet? I'm just saying. Right now, you can get 40% off the new My Slippers. They have all of the same great. It's the same great quality USA, all of the stuff that you come to expect with the My Pillows and the My Pillow towel sets, all of that. But they come in two different styles: the slip-on, which is like the mule style, or the moccasin. Variety of colors and sizes. Quality suede. They have a 3-tier cushioning system, and they have that patented My Pillow fill, right? Impact gel memory foam, super, super comfortable. And you are going to love yours. And they want to make sure that you get a pair. So for a limited time, you can get 40% off, which is awesome. 40% off of My Slippers. Just visit mypillow.com, enter promo code Dana, or call 800-944-4975. And while you're there, take advantage of the deep discounts on all of the My Pillow products. If you're somebody who suffers from knee, hip, back, neck, or other pain, and you want a 100% drug-free option, you need to check out Relief Factor. All the key ingredients in Relief Factor.
We'll come right back, ladies and germs. Stick around. A lot going on. You're listening to 94.9 News Now and Stimulating Talk.
Whoa, shit. That's even good, dude. That rear end swung around a little too fast. I don't like that. I'm feeling I lost the tire. Yeah, I lost another fucking tire. Alright. 4 new Firestone Winter Force 2 tires. 195 60 R15s on 99 Camry Solara rims. And I am sort of ready to take on the world. I just have to get used to driving a car again instead of a van.